I thought you were a socialist.
Well, since I've entered politics, I've learned that the line doesn't go out from the middle to the left and the right. It goes in a circle. I'll show you. You go far enough left, eventually you'll meet someone who's gone far enough right to get to the same place. Working class socialists like me, working class nationalists like you. The result, National Socialism. And that's me. In the middle, just a man trying to make an honest living in a very dark world.
Came to collect Arthur and put him to bed. Found him in Garrison Lane with a syringe in his hand.
A friend loves it all time. Brother is born for adversity. Proverbs 17:17. So, Lord McKee, you going to help me change the world?
Mr. Shelby, this meeting is not what I expected. Never is.
Is that a yes or a no?
My answer's yes.
The answer's always yes.